Pompeii was once a thriving Roman city. Then Mount Vesuvius erupted, and within hours, an entire city disappeared. Located near Naples, Pompeii was filled with busy streets, crowded markets, beautiful homes, and thousands of residents. Wealthy families enjoyed magnificent villas with gardens, frescoes, and mosaics, while ordinary residents lived and worked throughout the crowded city. Life seemed peaceful beneath Mount Vesuvius, and few residents imagined the quiet mountain would soon destroy everything. At Pompeii's center stood the Forum. Residents gathered here for business, politics, religion, ceremonies, and important events. Temples and government buildings surrounded the square, revealing how public life shaped the daily routines of Roman citizens. Thousands gathered inside Pompeii's amphitheater to watch gladiators fight, creating enormous public spectacles. Public baths were social gathering places of the Romans. Bakeries, cooking tools, and household objects reveal something remarkable. Ancient Romans lived surprisingly familiar, everyday lives here too. Years earlier, powerful earthquakes had damaged Pompeii. But residents rebuilt their homes, unaware these tremors were warnings from beneath Mount Vesuvius. Then, in 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted, sending an enormous column of ash, gas, and rock high into the sky. Ash and pumice fall across Pompeii. Day turned into darkness, and residents desperately tried to escape Pompeii. Then came the deadliest phase as the towering eruption column collapsed, sending superheated clouds racing down the slopes of Mount Vesuvius. Pyroclastic flows carried extreme heat, ash, and volcanic gases at devastating speeds, leaving anyone caught in their path little chance of survival. Deadly surges reached Pompeii. Homes, streets, courtyards, and public spaces were overwhelmed by scorching volcanic ash and gases almost instantly. Within hours, the thriving Roman city disappeared beneath volcanic debris, becoming silent, buried, and eventually forgotten by the wider world for centuries. Centuries later, plaster casts revealed victims caught in their final moments, transforming Pompeii's destruction into a deeply moving human story forever. Systematic excavations began during the 18th century. Slowly revealing streets, houses, temples, shops, artwork, and everyday objects hidden beneath volcanic debris. Archaeologists uncovered frescoes, mosaics, ovens, pottery, jewelry, coins, and graffiti, creating an extraordinary picture of everyday Roman life before disaster struck. Today, visitors can walk ancient streets, enter Roman homes, visit temples, and experience a city buried for centuries underground. Mount Vesuvius still rises above Pompeii, a beautiful but powerful reminder of the disaster that preserved this remarkable ancient city for us. Pompeii reminds us that cities disappear and generations pass, yet history preserves one moment that it feels alive again. If you could visit Pompeii one day before the eruption, would you go? Want to share your thoughts about Pompeii? Tell us in the comment section below. For more journeys into the world's most fascinating historic sites, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.